Right, today I'm going to replace the what are they called, oil seals on the front of my Land Rover. Them. It's on the axle ball joint. It's leaking onto the brakes, which is a pain in the ass. But I haven't got time to take all the hub and everything else off, so I'm going to try and do a little bit of a cheat. So I'm going to come back and show you what I've done in a minute. Right, with luck you can see that. Here's the chrome ball on the end of the axle. The oil seal is under that little plate, which is held in by that little, some 8mm, sorry, nuts, bolts. Right, and this plate obviously shouldn't come off of there because you've got to take the hub off, but being as that one's got a hole in it, it's screwed, that comes off. Now the plan is to get the oil seal out, which is in there, and then I'm going to split the oil seal the same as that ring and put the join up the top and put it all back in with a bit of luck. Right, so that's that one split. Use a junior axle to keep it as thin as possible, the joint. That one, like I said, is completely screwed. Luckily I have some new ones, or some more. Unfortunately I've had to sacrifice the spring, but no spring or oil on the brake, so I think I can live with that. Alright, so to get the seal out, basically all we do is put a screwdriver in under there, and that'll come out like that, with all that bloody oil and shit. And then obviously you're going to have to cut that off, because you don't want it. So I'll put the new seal in and then we'll have a look. Right, new seal is in. The split I've put up the top, obviously, because it probably won't leak up there. You can put a bit of sealer on there or something if you want. Obviously the plate now will go on, which I'll have to cut as well and bolt up, and then that should all hold in, and a fairly easy job, hopefully. So the plate is on, little bolts are in, there's a split in the plate. I'm going to use a bit of the old one to make a bridge like that, if I can find the bolt. I can't. Just to cover up the split in the plate, and that should hold the seal in quite nice. There you go, all bolted in. Plate over there just to cover the gap in the metal bit. Alright, don't forget to fill your hubs up with the up here, otherwise you'll be going down the road, you'll be needing new hubs in 100 more. And I know it's not right, it's not pure, but it'll do the job for now. So I don't want any comments about bodging and all that sort of rubbish. Thank you. Just an afterthought, these plates only go on one way because the bolts are spaced out differently, but also they only go one way. So having spent 20 minutes or 10 minutes or so turning around and realising it didn't fit, I realised I got it on back to front.